What's good, guys? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, me back with another video. If you're new here, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my other channel, and as well, go follow me on Instagram, go show love to all my posts. The Instagram will be right here. Bow. Go follow me on Instagram, go show some love. If you're new here, comment as well. I respond to all comments, questions, whatever you want to ask, comment. We're on our way to 500 subs, so subscribe. Like, share the video, share the channel. Let's get more people join the squad. I just hit these sneakers like a couple of days ago on the Nike app. They dropped these probably like last week or so. I don't know, but either or. Let's say, oh. Yeah, so you see the thumbnail, you see the title, so we about to go over these dunks real quick. I'm trying to stay consistent. I still got more videos to film for you guys this week, so stay tuned for all that. And if you haven't seen the last videos I've been dropping, go watch those videos as well. And let's get right into the video. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, it's a Nike Dunk GS size. Of course, you know it comes in this box, as most dunks do. Just in case you want them before I sell them. It's a 6Y. So hit me up if you want to buy them. Everything I do these videos about. Unless I tell you it's personal, then yes. It's for sale. Size 6. I think they dropped on the Nike app, I believe. Not the sneakers app, Nike. Regular paper. Nothing too crazy. And they called this the what's the actual color? I'm gonna read it to you guys. Sail Game Royal University Red. But there's an official name. Obviously, right now I don't remember the official name of it, but you'll know it based off the title. Let's put this on the side. Let's do a little quick thumbnail real quick. Boom. Alright, so you see it. I don't think there's any difference on the shoe. The shoe is the exact same everything. Just in case, you know, sometimes they change up the colors of the dunks, whatever. Nike doesn't fail with the glue stains, of course. Never fails. It does like a blend, like it does a fading color on here. But I'm gonna put this shoe here and just show you guys. So this is the Game Royal University Red colorway of these dunks. To be honest, this is not a bad colorway. I feel like this goes crazy with a Knicks jersey because there's some Knicks colors they have, like throwbacks that they'll have like orange and red mixed with it. So you can definitely see the colorway in this. I think it's a solid shoe. Like I said, these dunks came out of nowhere. They got some type of resale, depending on how much you charge and how much you sell yours for. But resale is not too high. So if you want to buy these on the aftermarket, because there's no way to grab dunks if it's sold out. 9 times out of 10, I don't know where you'll find these type of dunks in stores, but if you want to cop, go ahead and cop. It's not high on resale, like I said, so you're not going to pay that much. But for personal, people that want these, go ahead and do so on the resale market. But for people that's trying to buy these for resale, they already dropped, so like I said, I don't know where you're going to find them, but enough of that. The shoe right here itself, it got blue and red on the Nike logo right there. And then, of course, the bottom red that I showed already. And then over around, you got the blue Nike logo. And like I said, if you look into it, it blends into a different shade right there. Right? You can see like it blends into like a bluish, then like a white, like glitter, then red. And it goes all the way to the back until it goes to the back heel with the blue logo in there. Embroidered print with the red, just like it matches the tongue. And this is like supposed to be like an orange, but this is more like a light orange, not like a dark, like a real orange, but solid colorway. Nothing too crazy about this shoe. Retail was what, 90 I think on these, no, 85 or 95. Yeah, retail was 95. I forgot it doesn't have the tag of how much people pay no more, but $95 was these. They keep changing the prices for dunks. So literally, it could be the same low. Some dunks are 85, some is 90, some is 95. they just make up their own price at this point. Because what's the difference between these being 95 and some other shoe being a freaking 85? I don't really know. But solid shoe overall. Nothing too crazy about these. I don't think they'll be dropping in men's sizes at all. So it's only for kids, GS sizes. They did like a whole kid campaign on the actually no, it wasn't Nike. It was actually sneakers. They dropped these. It was like some random special kids collab they did. They had clothes, they had GS sizes, preschool, and then toddler. And yeah, I was able to hit on the GS size, which is, I didn't go for preschool or toddler because they have no resale mark. Like I said, this is some random collab they did with kids, some type of kids drop. So definitely, if you like these as a men's, you asked out, because they only have GS sizes, at least for now. Who knows, they might make them for a men's, but since it was overall a campaign for kids, I don't think they're gonna have any men's sizes. And the laces, not your typical leather laces. It's like some type of sweater type of laces, like, you know, different colors, like a beige tan. But overall, solid shoe. If they had it in men's, would I cop? No. But overall, it's a solid shoe. Pretty decent in my eyes. I do like the balance of the blue and red with the little orange, but this is not really orange. It's like, I don't know what type of color this is. Like, I read it on the box already, so whatever color it is, that's the color. But one final look. Nothing crazy in the inside, just a Nike, just in case, because people do want to just know what the shoe is inside. It's written in blue, Nike. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think about these shoes. Is it a solid dunk low, or is it trash? Let me know in the comments. One last look. The back, the bottom. Overall, solid dunk. Let me know what you think about these in the comments. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my other channel. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy is out of here. Peace the F out.